Wow, do you guys see the difference? This one feels more like skin. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, please don't make it your last by clicking on the subscribe button below and giving this video a thumbs up. But if you're an OG subscriber, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be reviewing the new MAC Studio Fix Fluid SPF 15 foundation. Let's get right into it. So MAC Cosmetics held a launch party here in Lagos sometime earlier this year, and I was one of the influencers that got to try this out, that got our shades matched and went home with one of this. So this is the MAC Studio Fix Fluid SPF 15 in shade NW47. So I actually got shade matched and this was my perfect shade. This is actually my first time using any MAC foundation at all, and let me say, let me not spoil the surprise. This is a 24-hour matte foundation plus oil control, and I was also told that it has 87% skincare ingredients in its formulation, including hyaluronic acid. And if you're a skincare enthusiast like me, you know that hyaluronic acid actually helps to keep your skin plump and moisturized. Let's unbox this. So this is what it looks like. Comes in this beautiful new bottle. The previous MAC doesn't have a pump like this, so this one came with its own pump. As you can see, I've already used it, and this is basically what it looks like. So as a girly that has oily skin, or rather combination skin, I tend to like gravitate towards matte based foundations. So this is actually a matte foundation, and we're going to just quickly do a wear test. I'm gonna take off my glasses right now to see how it lays on my skin. So one side would be without the foundation and the other side will be with foundation. So let's apply. I usually just like to take a pump or two. So we're just going to take a little pump and then we're going to blend it in. Lovely. Wow. Do you guys see? Let me just tuck my hair behind. Do you guys see the difference? Okay, we're going to take one more pump. Like, you don't even need to use too much. Oh wow, look at it. And it blends so easily. I like to use a blending sponge over a brush because I just feel like it works better for me. So as you can see, I already applied the foundation to this side, and this is without. So I noticed that when I went for a shade match, I was very tan, so I'm a bit lighter than I was then, but this was my perfect shade as at then. This was sometime in July and this is November. So a lot has happened. So you can still see like spots, hyperpigmentation, post acne scars, and here you can almost not see it. I doubt that you can see it at all. It's a medium to full coverage foundation, and guys, even though it is matte, it feels like skin. It literally feels like I apply skincare on my face because it has this glowing feel to it. Crazy. I love the feel. I love everything about it. Like I said, I've previously used it and gone out and I did not feel, you know, there's some foundations you would use and it will just be feeling very stiff or very uncomfortable. Like, it just feels like my regular skin. I also forgot to mention this foundation comes in very different shades. I think about 70 shades. So you would hardly not find your own shade of foundation. I'm definitely going to go back to like get my own current shade because I feel like it's, you know, a bit darker than my current skin tone. So let's just apply to this other side. Okay, I'm just gonna tuck in my hair here, tuck it back in, and give a pump. Okay, so let's blend. Ooh, do you like what you see? So I actually realized that it feels a little similar to my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation too, and it gives me kind of the same feel, although this one feels more like skin than the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. My shade in Maybelline is I think Warm Coconut in 356. Not too sure, but that's what I have been using for years now. And yeah, I definitely would tell you to get this foundation if you're someone that has oily skin and you want to still look glowing but at the same time matte. Then this is the foundation to get, because look at the quality. I also feel like if you don't want to do too much on a certain day, this is the type of foundation I would suggest you get, because it gives you a very natural finish. Like, it doesn't even look like I applied foundation. Like, I have to zoom in because it doesn't even look like I applied foundation. It just literally looks like my skin. I'm just gonna match this to my neck. Oh yeah, so that's it basically. This is my look for the day. I have to zoom this in because it does look like skin. Love this new formulation. Even though I haven't tried the previous ones, I'm definitely going to keep this as a staple in my makeup routine. So other things they claim this new MAC foundation has is it is blurring, has a soft matte finish. I mentioned that, like, it is soft, basically looks like your skin. Water and transfer resistant, I haven't tried that yet, so maybe when I like do my final finishing spray I would know. Oil and shine control, non-drying, and doesn't clog your pores, guys. That is very important for me. So I'm just going to set this with my setting spray. Let's see how it does. Oh, where's my fan? Sorry guys, I had to turn on the fan. Oh wow, love it. While we wait for my foundation to set, I was also gifted this MACximal Silky Matte Lipstick right here in the shade Velvet Teddy, I think 617 Velvet Teddy. And guys, this is such a beautiful mix of nude and pink. I really don't even know the color, and you know what I love about it? I can easily just use it without even using a lip liner. So we're just gonna do a quick wear test and just swatch it. Oh guys, guys, oh, I'm obsessed. I am obsessed. I am crazy obsessed with this. Like, I don't even need to do much. See? Very natural, very demure, very cutesy. Wow, Mac is that girl. She has always been that girl anyways. But, she's still that girl and will always be that girl. Love it. So yeah, I think my face has finally dried off. I'm just gonna take this off. Oh, finally, my hair can breathe. And take this off. And yeah, guys, this is the final look. I didn't even draw my brows. I just applied one layer of foundation and one layer of lipstick, no lip liner, and this is what the foundation is giving. I mean, I don't need to say much. Go get this and then get one of the new MACximal lipsticks, because if you want to be that girl, then go be that girl. So this too, my holy grail. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you learned a thing or two, leave your comments below. Let's chat. If you've used other kinds of foundation that you feel is similar to this, or you've used the previous formulations, let's just chat. Drop your questions, drop your comments, drop your observations in the comments box. And if you're not yet subscribed at this point, please click the subscribe button below and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Toodles!